You want to turn your quick lunch up a notch? We got you.
We're making sweet and spicy tartar sauce.
We just gave y'all salmon patties, but no sauce. Let's get started. In a small bowl, we'll use 1/4 cup of Miracle Whip. We'll use our spoon to go ahead and get it out. Use it all. And sorry about the birds, y'all. We did this around lunchtime. The birds were chirping. Once that's in your bowl, we'll grab some sweet relish. Now this is going to be about 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, but use what you like. Then we've got some lemon juice. This will be 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can get this fresh squeezed or out of a bottle. Now this is where your coloring comes from and your spice. We're going to give this about 1 tablespoon of hot sauce or about 5 to 6 dashes. Last but not least, the seasonings. Y'all know y'all need these or it ain't gonna taste right, but y'all know how we do. Go ahead and subscribe for free and go to our website, bntsrecipes.com. Click on the free tab and this recipe is unlocked. It'll have all the seasonings you need to make the perfect sweet and spicy tartar sauce. And to save you time, we'll speed it up. We got our spoon. We're gonna go ahead and stir all this up. You don't have to overdo it. You just want it till it's a nice creamy sauce and you can see those seasonings peppering through. All done, ready to serve. This is a quick tartar sauce you can make at home. Serve to anybody. We like to do it with a lid on, grab and go. As you can see, it's nice and smooth, falls off the spoon. Now we'll grab a little serving bowl sometimes. You can make fish sticks, fish sandwiches, or go to the bottom of the recipe page and we'll show you what it pairs well with, because you can use this on anything. Also, before serving, put some dried parsley on top. You don't have to do this, it's optional, but about a half teaspoon, or as we say in the kitchen, just a pinch.
Don't that look pretty? Tastes good too. Let's take a closer look. Whoops, that blur again. But that there is the consistency you want. If you want it more runny, add less Miracle Whip or more lemon juice or hot sauce. Cook it up however you like. Enjoy! And as always, thanks for making condiments with B&T.